Before getting into the video, please note, I am providing various links for purchase this product in the description box below. Probably you can compare the costs, as I only mention the cheapest purchase links after searching all over the internet, which is updated daily. Also don't forget to subscribe the channel, else you missing my next video. Also comment which feature you like the most in the comments section below, I will answer your queries as quickly as possible. So, without much delay, let's get started. DJI Spark Review. Best thing about this drone is, the DJI Spark delivers a tiny, lightweight design, excellent mechanically stabilized camera, USB charging and advanced features like gesture controls and obstacle detection. It travels well and is great for aerial photos and video. The improvement factor for this drone is, flight time can be as short as 10 to 14 minutes. The app can be frustrating to use, especially on smaller screens. And you should expect to buy batteries and possibly the optional controller. The bottom line is, the DJI Spark delivers all of the camera drone features most people will ever need in an impossibly small package. You know how Apple sometimes seems to be behind its competition in performance, design or features, only to eventually leapfrog them and take the lead? That's what DJI did with the Spark. While the company was concentrating on making higher-end camera drones for prosumers and professionals, other drone makers, established and startup, were creating highly portable drones for people who wanted cool aerial selfies, aka dronies, without having to be an expert pilot. DJI's $999 Mavic Pro seemed as close as the company would get to the category. With its compact folding design and intelligent subject tracking that let you capture selfies with a hand gesture. But then the Spark arrived in May and pretty much made everyone forget about all the selfie drones that came before it. It offers many of the Mavic's same features in a body that's roughly the size of a soda can. The Spark is aimed at the droney crowd, but shares tech from the Mavic such as obstacle detection, dual-band GPS and a visual positioning system that lets it hover in place up to 98 feet, 30 meters, above the ground, indoors or outside. Also, while the competition relies on electronic image stabilization alone, DJI put the Spark's Full HD video camera on a 2-axis motorized gimbal for smooth results without sacrificing image quality. And DJI took its gesture controls to the next level with the drone, too. Priced at $499 in the US, $859 in Australia and £519 in the UK. You don't get much more than the drone and a single battery. For $699, $1,199 £699, DJI bundles the Spark, extra props and a set of prop guards, 2 batteries and a charging hub for refreshing 3 batteries at once, a remote controller and a carry bag, a savings of $154, according to DJI's site. The bundle is a good value and worth getting if you think you might want to do more than quick flights for selfies. Then again, the Mavic Pro is pretty close in price and can be flown farther, faster and for longer. It has a better camera and stabilization and folds up to a very travel-friendly size as well. Basically, if you're really interested in learning to fly a drone immediately for capturing spectacular photos and video, save up for the Mavic. The Spark is a great choice if your main goal is to get cool dronies, without limiting your opportunities to do more down the road.